Ever wondered how to make the perfect steamed chicken dumplings at home? The secret to juicy, flavorful dumplings lies in the balance of ingredients, the artful technique of folding, and the proper steaming method. Our journey begins with the selection of high-quality chicken. Opt for a cut with a higher fat content to ensure the filling is juicy and flavorful. The chicken is then finely chopped and mixed with a blend of aromatic ingredients like ginger, garlic, and scallions, which add depth to the flavor profile. Next comes the seasoning. A dash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of white pepper, and a spoonful of sugar are all it takes to transform the chicken mixture into a flavorful filling. The key here is not to rush. Take the time to mix the ingredients thoroughly, allowing each component to meld with the others, enhancing the overall taste. Once the filling is ready, it's time to assemble the dumplings. This step requires a certain level of care and precision. Place a spoonful of the chicken mixture in the center of a dumpling wrapper, then fold and seal the edges, creating a neat little package. There are various methods to seal the dumplings. Choose the one you find most comfortable and convenient. Now the dumplings are ready for the steamer. A bamboo steamer is highly recommended for this process. Not only does it cook the dumplings evenly, but it also imparts a subtle flavor that elevates the overall taste. While the dumplings are steaming, whip up a simple dipping sauce. A combination of soy sauce and vinegar, balanced with a hint of sweetness and heat, complements the juicy chicken dumplings perfectly. After about 15 minutes in the steamer, the dumplings are ready to be savored. Soft, tender wrappers encasing a juicy, flavorful filling paired with a tangy dipping sauce make for a culinary experience that's hard to beat. In summary, the perfection of homemade steamed chicken dumplings lies in the quality of the chicken, the balance of the filling ingredients, the technique of folding, and the method of steaming. Remember, take your time with each step, savor the process, and the results will be worth it. So the next time you're craving juicy, flavorful dumplings, why not try making them at home? With the right ingredients, a little patience, and a touch of love, you can create culinary magic in your own kitchen.